Three reasons why it's nearly impossible to trust your partner after they've cheated on you. Number one, breach of trust is hard to repair. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationships. And once that's broken, it's just difficult to repair. No matter how sorry you are, when you cheat, commit adultery, you destroy the marriage. You destroy the bond you have with God. You destroy society. You betray your children. And once you breach that trust, that stipulation is always going to play a part on the other person. It's going to be hard for the other person to forget. Yes, they may forgive you, but they'll never forget. And you just wedged a gap in something that's meant to be holy, that's meant to be that's meant to be precious, and something that you're meant to cherish. I I like to involve myself or hang around or be around people, elderly people, especially elderly people who've been in marriages for 50, 60, 70 years plus. And that just truly inspires me, and it truly motivates me to become better every single day and to never stop learning, because happiness, faithful, loyalty, trust, it does exist because I'm around these people daily. But once you breach someone's trust with adultery, that's a hard thing to repair. Number two, emotional damage and betrayal. When you love someone, when you have a covenant with God, because a marriage is when two people become one, and to know that that person not just physically hurt you, but emotionally and spiritually, that's something that is very hard to heal from, because you have that damage. That damage is always going to be there. And I'm talking about the faithful ones. I'm talking about the good hearted ones, the kind hearted ones, the spiritually aligned ones, the God fearing ones. It is very difficult, and I wish you love and healing energy, because once you go through this betrayal, it's very hard to come out from. But continue reading scripture, continue believing in God, continue following God's words, and eventually you will heal. But it does take time. Number three, continued uncertainty and doubt. Once your husband, wife cheats on you, you're gonna have doubt all the time. You're gonna have trust issues. Every single time they've gone out, or they're out somewhere else, or they're not in your presence, you just feel like they're just doing wrong. And that's just not a way to live. It's honestly not. You are worth happiness, you are worth freedom, you are worth everything that you believe you deserve. Like, you deserve happiness, you really do. But once you're betrayed by someone that you loved and you were truly 100% committed to, you're going to have doubt. You're not going to trust the person. And is that life worth living when you know you deserve more? And for those who have thoughts of cheating but stay strong, my love, respect, and admiration goes out to you, because we are full with a world of temptation. But if you continue reading the Bible and not just reading it, live it as well, live the words. This is why I pray as much time as I can. Every time I feel myself going astray, I just have to remind myself. This is why it's important to read the Bible every day, even if it's just a paragraph or a page, or it's just as much as you can, just to remind yourself and stay grounded. Because do you know how lucky you are to find someone who you truly love and truly loves you back in today's society? Cherish your blessings. Be grateful for your blessings. God bless.